Aer0nauts is a STEM-based activity of time and space learning that has inspired innovation in youngsters since 2014. Starting out as a project to rebuild a radar-controlled biplane, it's developed into a highly successful team activity where students learn to design, build and fly model aircraft. Encouraged by the BMFA in 2015 after crashing twice in our first challenge entry, our teams have gone on to win the challenges every year since. In 2019 we won 3 out of all 5 payload challenges. Central to our strategy is the ability to experiment and learn by trial and error. This develops confidence in children for whom the pressures of education make failure intolerable. Through iterative learning and speeding up the making process, we can encourage those who are motivated by extended projects and who enjoy dynamics and risk-taking. Teamwork is engendered through the payload challenges, in which each learner takes on a specific responsibility for a different part of the aircraft. This is how some of the universities use the challenges to gain degree-level qualifications. In this way, our own students have gained Crest Awards at bronze, silver and gold. Support from an experienced aero modeller comes highly recommended in the rules. Our help came from Berry Model Flying Club, but other clubs are available. Computer-aided design and manufacture is central to our success. It also helps with functional skills such as documentation and communication and report writing, which are required for both challenges and in the Crest Awards. Craft processes come into play in the finishing of an aircraft, and again these can be reworked if mistakes are made. Craft skills are desperately needed in industry as national curriculum leans more towards the theory. Building and flying a model plane might be the only practical experience a student gets on a modern engineering course. We make multiple versions of our designs to help make decisions and incremental improvements, just like in industry. The materials we use are inexpensive, and the students learn how best to allocate these according to needs and properties. They understand the dynamics of flight and are regularly questioned about their thinking. In this low-risk way, the student learns terminology and how to explain their ideas. In the competition, they'll present their ideas to a team of judges. This can be quite challenging for children that lack communication skills, but the judges are very kind and it's very encouraging. Flying and testing is great fun and rarely uneventful. We can prove some of our ideas with our wind tunnel. Sometimes we need to backtrack to past designs, and again, CAD/CAM makes this easy. Observation and evaluation skills are key. We take many videos of flights to understand how decisions affect the behaviour of the aircraft and test motors and propeller combinations, plotting graphs to help us make decisions about their options. We use first-person view to evaluate what is happening whilst the plane's flying. On-screen displays monitor the current, the airspeed and the battery life. We believe that Aer0nauts is unique at the payload challenges for our building multiple versions of planes prior to building a final version. In this way, we've proved that we can compete against universities that tend to sport a single version of an untested aircraft. Aer0nauts is now mobile. We can come to you with resources, kits and materials to take your team through our tried and tested curriculum of aerodynamic and construction principles. For those without a laser cutter, we have a large coach equipped to tour the project to schools and clubs in 2020. We can even work online through conferencing software and post laser cut parts to you. Teams can enter the payload challenges with a minimum of 6 full-day sessions, but better still, a weekly evening through the year or weekend afternoon activity. The BMFA have kindly offered their excellent site for this purpose to encourage more teams from local schools to participate. So with our online support, video tutorials, World Wide Web links, pupil-friendly making techniques, and by working with a local BMFA flying club, your youth club or school can put in an entry at the Payload Challenges in June 2020. The rules are out now. And what's our outreach program called? You guessed it, Payload Pal. But even if you don't want to enter the challenges, we have a range of kits you can build aimed at rapid making and maximum versatility to explore your own creative aerodynamic ideas.